गोयभर बेकायदेशीर नर्सरी चलतात. या नर्सरींचेर आळाबंद हाडचो म्हण गोवाकॅनाची मागणी.
We started getting complaints that people are going around selling plants on a push cart. A circular was issued at that time stating very clearly that first of all push carts will not be allowed. Till today you can see these push carts are operating in Margao. This is one process for encroachment on land, and then you go for land conversion. Now very specifically we have written to the ZAO of Salchet Taluka when we got a complaint, and I personally went there on the western bypass. I found there at that junction at Nuve a huge I went and asked them, where is your board, where is the registration? नहीं है हमारा पात्र मापसा का है, उसका है, इसका है, डालेगा. Nothing. This is a serious consumer issue. We have decided now to intensify this campaign all over Goa. It seems that no corrective action has taken place. They have not identified an officer. I don't expect every ZAO to become the officer to take action. He can appoint another person in his office. But we feel this is very urgently required.
हे विशीं शेतकी खात्याचो विभागी शेतकी अधिकारी कितें म्हणटा ते ऐकात.
There may be some nurseries which are there without this. I will have to have a look, and immediately we will issue notices to them. And we will tell them to register. We will explain to them what are the documents required, and then we will tell them to come in the office, submit the application, and then we will forward the application to the concerned section in head office. Regarding this Goa Fruit and Plants Nursery Act, I have gone to the Act, and there is nowhere in the Act where the detailed procedure and guidelines are prescribed how to take action. See, बिश्ते कोणाचेर action आमी घेवपाक जायना unless until the government has notified the steps. Means कोणाक inspection केलें मागीर illegal declare जाली, we feel that he is operating without a license. So we have to confiscate, and then all this confiscating procedure जे पळय आसा, it should be notified in the Gazette. So till now I have read it. So this act needs some modification. And this matter was discussed with the concerned section in head office, and the concerned section is working upon it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.